Hi, I'm Darcy Phillips here with Eaton talking about a medical product in HDMI to MPO adapter kit. Great for healthcare, operating rooms, zero EMI transmission with this 4K video connector. So this is the HDMI display end. This would be the source end of the video extender. It goes to an MPO, and you can see the product is live in action right here. This coupler connects to a long length up to 100 meters multi-mode fiber cable, and then goes to the display end right there, which will take you right into your display. This video extender is excellent for operating rooms, anywhere where video extension is required with zero latency, and we want to reduce RFI, EMI, and still have good high quality video. triplate.eaton.com. Thank you very much.